Week 5, day 3. My voice is going. I'll do the best I can. I feel pretty good. I'm tired because, long day. Everybody's sick all around me, so no one's sleeping at night. But here we go. Today, 2-second pause squat. We're going to do some pause bench. Feet up bench. Haven't done those in a while. Some deadlift and vertical pull of choice, which will probably be lat pull downs. Here we go. All right, last set of sets of 4. This is 4 sets of 4. Started at 155, went to 175. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna push my luck on this, whatever this is. So last set, pause squats. All right, well, I'm not hacking yet. Let's continue on. Holy, bench is heavy tonight. Really feels heavy. So I knocked it down from 70% down to 60%. I can manage this. And I'm doing 2-second pauses. He just wants a competition pauses, which is like 1 second. But because I'm lighter, I'm gonna go 2-second pause. This is my 6th set of 5. I got more to do. Here we go. Wow. All right, now I'm gonna do more sets of 5s, just touch and go, feet up. All right, last set of 5, this was 4 sets of feet up bench. So tonight it's a total of 10 sets of bench. I got this block, I have 4 weeks of this. So I'll gradually, as the body gets adjusted to it, slowly weighs the weight over the next 4 weeks. Here's my last 5. All right, bench is done. Let's do some deadlifts. Here we are, deadlifts. Very heavy tonight too. So I did 185 for 5, that moved pretty good. Felt way heavier than it should. So this is what they want, is 210. I'll probably just do 1 set of these, then I'll be good, because tomorrow I gotta do pause deadlifts. And again, it depends how I feel. I feel okay, just not 100%. That's all right. Okay, here we go. Not coughing. All right, heart rate. And next, 4th and final set, pull downs. This is at 80 pounds on my rack. Feels about right for doing 4 sets for today. Let's go. All right, so hopefully I feel good tomorrow. I can finish up this week, day 4, and we'll see you next one.